my bosses, my movers and shakers. I'm just a baddie trying to get this paper. Baddies.
Okay,
Yes.
I was trying to do this video. It's like the second time. But here I'm like about to shape my nail. I'm just clipping the sides. So it'll be easier to do a squoval shape. A square oval. If y'all don't know what that means. But yeah. By my pinky and my pointer finger, I end up changing that shape to stilettos. Cause sometimes I like to do two different shapes on my hands. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'm just filing, getting my shape right, filing down the sides and stuff, doing all that and stuff. And here I'm showing you how I made the line disappear. So I just put some acetone on a Q-tip and I'm just rubbing the Q-tip against the line. And it like kind of dissolves it, but you don't want to do it too much or get it too far down the nail because it'll like make the nail weak, I guess, or bend. Or you can dissolve all of it and then the tip will just fall off. You don't want that. So yeah, I did that. Now I just wiped it with some alcohol. This is Dehydrator from Beauty Secrets. Just putting it on because I'm showing y'all how to do. I'm doing 2 nails in this video, so I just put it on both nails. I think I put 2 coats on each. Now I already buffed and did all that, prep my nails before this for the acrylic. So I'm just pouring the acrylic in the dapping dish. And then that's the acrylic powder I do use. I use pink. Sometimes I use clear, but I've been using pink mostly. And then I put some primer on. I use an oval brush. I don't know what size it is, but I do that to get out all the bubbles, like, because you don't want no air bubbles in your acrylic. So just drag it across, pick up a bead, let it all dissolve. Sorry, I'm out of frame. This is like, I tried 2 different setups, and then, but it's kind of it was hard for me to stay in frame. So yeah, the first one I put right where the tip and my nail meet, like that's your stress point. If you don't put enough acrylic there, that's why your nail end up snapping. And then I put the second ball near my cuticle, but don't make it touch your skin. If it touches your skin, it will lift. So I'm looking to the side, seeing where I need to put the next ball, or if it's like the way I like it and stuff. Yeah, so I put one at the end. I think on the next nail you'll be able to see it better, because I kept going out of frame. So yeah. So I put another one right on the stress point. Making sure it's no lumps. And then you want to take your time with it too, because the more if you take your time with it, it'll be less lumps, less fouling. But it's like the more you do it, the better you get at it. So I think I'm finna do the other nail. Yeah, I'm doing the other nail thing. I'm out of frame so much, but yeah, it'll come back in frame eventually. So I just put one at my cuticle and blended it. And you want to hold your nail down because gravity will pull the bead down so it won't flow up into your cuticle and get all on your skin and stuff. So I usually use 3 or 4 balls of acrylic. So I'm looking at it, see if I like the curve or whatever. And I seen that I need to put another ball on my nail, another ball of acrylic. Put it right on the stress point again. adding acrylic where it needs to be added in. Because I feel like I'm done. I need to file. And then I was tapping it to see if it was cured yet. Okay, so here I'm just tapping it, making sure it's dry before I start filing. And if you, like, when you tap it, you hear a clicking noise, so that's when you know it's dry. I'm just filing, refining my shape. Doing the sides first, and then I go over the top and stuff. I'm seeing where, like, if I have a bump or anything, and where I need to file it. So I'm just filing all over. And then you don't want to stay in one place too long, because filing it, like, it is causing friction. So a part of your nail like heat up and it'll feel like it's burning. You don't want that. And then be careful around your cuticles, because you can't cut yourself while filing. And it does hurt. Just filing and filing and filing, you know. So I get the shape right. I'm showing you. When I first started doing nails, like, I used to have to file so much because I would do the acrylic, like, so messy, especially on my undominant hand or whatever. But yeah, I'm getting this little thing that my mama bought. I don't know the name of it, and I'm putting on the number 1 because it comes with like 3 different things numbered. I'm using a coarser file, grit file to just file over top. I'm just filing everywhere, and then after that, I don't know why, but I did clean my nail off with some alcohol, and now I'm using the number 2, and then I go in with the less coarser side of my file, and then a buffing block, and then I go in with the number 3 of the little handheld filer thing and go with my nail, and then like shines it. And I put on, after all that, I put on my base coat. I paint all my nails my base coat, and then like if I'm leaving them like natural like this, I just put on that base coat because it makes it a little pinkish or whatever, a little more pinkish, and then I put on a clear top coat, and then I'll be done. But I end up painting my nails after the video. I was gonna do like a design, but I just painted them with regular colors. So yeah, that's it. And then usually, I think I'm about to show it. Usually I do end up cutting them a couple days later, because first I leave them on, then I cut them. But like, since I was after this painting my nails, I didn't put on cuticle oil. So usually I put on cuticle oil if I'm gonna leave them like that, and then I put on some hand lotions, because my hands do be really dry after this, because I'm using all the like acetone, alcohol, and nail dehydrator and stuff like that. So yeah, I do that. And then I'm done. This is the finished product. And this shape is also called...
My bosses, my movers and shakers. I'm just a baddie trying to get this paper.